So I just bought a Nissan 350Z 2004. It's in a somewhat good condition. Not gonna say it's in great condition, but yeah, the paint looks alright. Just a bit faded from here, from the trunk, spoiler, and some small spots on the hood as well. It's got 18-inch wheels. The typical 350Z problems, handle broken. Interior needs a lot of work. Yeah, those door stoppers obviously not working. This panel is missing. It's got the cheap ass seat upholstery and some carpeting. I'll be removing all of this. Yep, that's it. The typical leaks from here. Other than that, it's got a aftermarket air filter. So that's 350Z for you, which needs a bit of fixing. There's a problem that I need to fix. The other day I was going on the highway. Yesterday when I bought the car and I was off to my home, I was on the highway and I bumped on a tire, and you can see that plug is disconnected. It's probably the O2 sensor. Let's go. So there's typical problems with it, typical Z problems. One of them is the starter motor. I mean, it starts, but I know it's gonna fail today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So yeah, it's a ticking time bomb. Apart from that, this is a typical problem of the Z's. Yep, I believe it just needs a reset. I hope so. Yeah, this is broken. This part is broken. No ashtray lid. The front and back is not working, but the backrest tilting is working. Same goes for the passenger side. It's all working, but just this is not working. So I'm gonna be fixing everything on it. Take you guys through the entire process of how we can restore this 350Z. So for the price that I got this for, it's a steal. So this has got a very common problem with the 350Zs, which is the wheel bearings wearing off. Now I'm not sure if it's the rear left side or the right side, but one of them is bad. So we need to fix these common problems, which are starter motor, the wheel bearing, the glass. This, it's just a small fix. This lid, and we're gonna be changing the upholstery, changing the entire look of the interior, and yeah, mechanically it sounds perfect. It's doesn't seem to have any problems. We're just gonna go and lift the car up, and well, it's probably not a good time to come. I'll update you guys. So guys, this was what got disconnected. We'll just are going to tie it up with zip ties over here. Hopefully it won't do that again. So yeah, this is the condition from the other side. Not too bad. It's got a Fujitsu exhaust. So yeah. No visible rust, just small little pieces, bits and pieces. The diff looks alright. Diff looks alright. No leaks. Seems pretty. Just a second. Here. Oh god, 350Zs cannot hold a Gatorade bottle. That's new. Yeah, I can put it over here. So we got it done. Hopefully it's fixed now and we're not gonna be having problems with that. Let's go back home and guide you. Actually, the steering is pretty hard. I'm not sure. Can you guys help me figure out if this is normal or not? But the steering is like very hard, you know? Battery voltage and that screen is working. It's got a bit scratches on it. Pretty alright. See, this is torn off. I'll probably wine wrap these and that. Probably I'll vinyl wrap that into suede. Not sure. Maybe I'll give it a black on black touch and clean it up, and I think it'll be good to go. Engine and transmission sounds pretty healthy to me. I'm not going to be abusing it yet because I haven't changed the oil, I haven't changed anything, so I'm not sure what kind of maintenance was done onto it. Until then, I'll keep it quiet and easy, and once it's completed we're gonna abuse it, because that's what 350Zs are made to do. I think it's time for showing you the surprise. Yep, we're in 4th gear. We're gonna go to 3. Can you hear it? It's got a Pops and Bags tune on it. That's my surprise for you. I'm gonna show you once more. I hope there's no cops around, but I'm not speeding, you know. It's guys, if you're watching this, do not speed. Speed kills. This is 1st gear. Not full throttle. Oh. Change the tune. I think that's more than enough for today. I'm gonna park the car and then show you how it sounds when it's parked, the exhaust and the tune. So guys, I think that's a wrap for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment as well. And yeah, I'll take you guys through the entire process of how we transform this car into a neck turner. So yeah, see you guys. Bye bye.